the progress that the industry is making in general. I think both on the technology side, but then also the design. I think Chinese car manufacturers have made a lot of progress on also the overall appeal and quality of the cars. I think they are absolutely ready to also play an important role in the global markets. And I'm most impressed with the progress the industry is making in the area of electrical powertrain, but also with the area of software, and then most recently also in the area of autonomous driving. We saw of some of the car manufacturers, they announced that they are really rolling out advanced levels of autonomous driving technology right now, and I think we will see more and more cities in China being connected and this technology being available to consumers. And it's really impressive to see the progress that China is making in that space, which I believe is faster than what we see in most other parts of the world.